Hello everyone! Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a botanical superstar that's as versatile as it is enchanting. Angelica. Angelica archangelica. This amazing herb has been a go-to remedy for centuries, blending beauty with benefits in a way that's bound to charm you. Let's dive into why Angelica should be your new best friend in the garden and the kitchen. Angelica isn't just a pretty face. Its medicinal properties are top-notch. It's your go-to herb for soothing digestive troubles, easing respiratory issues, and boosting circulation. Plus, with its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory magic, it's like having a tiny pharmacy right in your garden. Keeping Angelica happy is a breeze. Just make sure the soil stays consistently moist. It doesn't like to be thirsty, so regular watering is the key. Spring and summer are Angelica's favorite times to shine. These are the perfect seasons to watch it thrive and flourish. Whether you need leaves, stems, or roots, Angelica's got you covered. Harvest as needed to enjoy its fresh benefits. Angelica is pretty flexible with its sunlight. It prefers full sun, but can also thrive in partial shade, just like a sunbather who's a little shy about getting too much sun. For Angelica to feel right at home, provide it with well-drained, fertile soil. Aim for a pH between 6.0 and 7.0 for optimal growth. Beyond its general health benefits, Angelica is known for its potential to ease menstrual cramps and support liver health. It's a great herb for those looking for natural remedies with a bit of historical flair. Unlock the angelic powers of your garden with Angelica, where ancient healing meets modern magic. Well, this is SMF, botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.